Welcome to Spellbinders March 2026. All clubs create bonus item called Number 1 Fan. This is a set of standalone dies. The All Club Create membership includes all club options plus additional monthly bonus items. The bonus is an exclusive product only available in this club. This month's exclusive item is this die set. Let's look at the dies included in this set. These create a foam finger. You have the outline and the detail dies. We also included a sleeve die and a detail die to create the arm, as well as the wrist piece. Finally, the set comes with dies to cut number 1. Die cut pieces from colored cardstock and white fun foam. Alternatively, use white cardstock for the white part and simply stack several layers together to mimic dimension. Use glue and adhere the white outline onto the blue background. Adhere number 1 in the same way. Next, assemble the arm. Use the lines created by the die as guides to know where to place each die cut piece. And your foam finger arm is ready. Let's make a card. Hot foil Best Dead Ever in white foil on colored cardstock using March 2026 Press and Foil Club. Use the rectangle die from that club to cut panels with Best and Dead. Adhere those onto the card base from the top. Next, adhere the panel with the Ever and trim it to size to finish the background for your A2 card. Foam mount the foam finger off to the left. Die cut beer bottles and a spatula using dies from the March 2026 Large Die of the Month. Foam mount spatula and trim axis. Add the sausage on top. Next, foam mount beer bottles and trim axis. Embellish your card with clear dots and enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club. Have fun creating!